Hello, welcome to another lockpicking video, including a cat. Today I have a master lock 410, lockout, tag out. Going to be using top of the keyway tension, this nice and springy tension bar, along with the Peterson number 7 hook and I believe 18 thousandths. All right, let's give it a go. I like to work from the back of the stack forward. On 6, something on 5. Usually 5 is where the one serrated pin is. If you can get 5 set, should fall into a false set. Nice solid click. Okay. Nothing on 1. A little bit of click on 2. On 3. Something on 4. I'll click on 4. Stuck on something back there. Oh. There we go. Spin 5 set. We're into a little bit of a false set here now. We're halfway there. Living on a prayer. There we go. Yeah, a little bit of nothing. 3, 2. Not getting any counter rotation. Nothing on 1. Something on 2. No. No. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's holding us up? Living on a prayer. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit of counter rotation on 6. I lost that false set. 2? No? 2. A little bit of something on 2. Fell back in the back of the stack. Okay, to a deeper false set. 1, 2, 5. Click out 5, 6. There we go. And we have an open. Do have the key to this. Nice bitting on that key. No wonder pin 1 and 2, or sorry, pin 1 and 3 didn't really give me anything. So I pretty much cut to the bottom. Really high pins back there, 6 and 5. Fun little locks. Thanks for watching.